Whether you're in front of your computer or on the road with your phone in hand, you'll certainly appreciate the new features in our latest product release. Let's take a look. Cell phones remain very popular work tools, especially now that people are back on the road. For that reason, we made sure to add some new features to our mobile application. When you create a new communication, you can now add a location based on your GPS coordinates. This feature is handy if you want to document an encounter or an incident at a location that doesn't have a standard address, like near a geographical landmark or a company asset, for example. And here's a long-awaited development. You can use the share function built into many applications on your smartphone, like WhatsApp or SMS messaging, to create communications in Borealis. There's no need to copy and paste messages anymore. From now on, you can create these interactions in just one step. The next new feature is particularly useful for super users who are responsible for managing access rights for large, constantly changing teams. You can now create custom user profiles in the interface and define a set of permissions required for each job or role in the platform. For example, you may want to create separate profiles for members of the community relations team and a communications manager. This improvement makes it much easier to create new users in the system. It will also give you better control over access to information, and consequently the security of your platform. We think you'll love the new Widgets interface. Its full-width display gives you a better view of your data from the start. The configuration panel where you edit the widget is now displayed on the left, and it allows you to preview any changes you make in real time. And finally, if your organization holds regular webinars, conferences, or public consultations, you'll be happy to know that we've made it easier to document participants for these events. We created an import template specifically for these types of meetings. It lets you upload a list of participants, and with one action you can indicate whether an existing stakeholder was present, or create a new stakeholder record for individuals who didn't already exist in the system. If you'd like to know more about any of these new features, please contact our customer success team. And don't forget to read the release note in our Help Center to learn about all the other improvements in this update.